In this video, we're going to be talking about how to contact X support. So let's just get straight into the video. Open any browser that you prefer using and simply head into help.x.com, just like that. Once you've done that, you're going to be on this page, which is going to be the Help Center. All you need to do is simply go ahead and scroll down, click on Help, and click on Contact Us. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and select the topic that you're having a problem with. And inside of the topic that you're having a problem with, there will be a solution. However, if you don't find the solution, just simply go ahead and select all these options. And then as you can see, there will be a place where you can simply go ahead and submit your problem report. And once you've submitted that, they'll get in contact with you through email. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.